Now the company called Nestle owns the Willy Wonka Candy Company. And so, they make candy. There's nerds, sweet tarts, sprees, bottle caps, runts, some other candies. But there was one candy that was missing, and it was the Wonka bar. And now the Wonka bar is a candy, and well, even though they exist in real life, they're only available in England, Australia, and New Zealand. So yeah, they weren't sold in the United States anymore. But however, there is one way to get a Wonka bar in the United States. And it does not mean importing it from England, Australia, or New Zealand. I meant the United States. Clearly. Okay, first things you need is a piece of paper. Either glue or tape. I recommend Scotch tape. A pair of scissors, some aluminum foil, and your chocolate bar. You could choose any chocolate bar, it could be like Hershey or Nestle Crunches. Buy stick with Cadbury, because Roald Dahl used to like Cadbury's when he was around, and got his inspiration from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. So these are the things you need. First, we are going to start with the chocolate bar. Now, carefully, open the wrapper, so make sure the chocolate doesn't break. Make sure it doesn't melt. But when you try to open your aluminum foil, use scissors to cut it, right there. Or if you need to make it shorter, just cut it right there, okay? Okay, now we got your chocolate bar. Now it's time to wrap it in tin foil. First up you do this. Just try to carefully fold the top, so in order to do this might be a little noisy. Just turn the volume down, and yeah, so there we go. Now we start to do is this, and last but not least, this. Okay, now all you have to do is tape the foil, so that way it's a good time to seal the deal. Get it? Seal the deal. Okay. So this is what it looks like now. I think I'm shining you over. Now all we need to do is to make the wrapper. So this is my sketch for this Wonka bar here, as you can see. So I use it in pencil, but I'm gonna use marker next. As you can see, this is what it looks like now when using a small Sharpie. I even done the back. Ingredients: cocoa beans, sugar, butter, milk, etc. It says Willy Wonka Candies, 1971. And there's King Lane Food Production. Actually, no, it's not production. It's actually product. And it says, based on the book, Charlie and Chocolate Factory by Roald Dahl. So you could be a little detailed, or if you just want to make the cover, and if you're lazy, then just do it, whatever you want. Now this is a bonus if you want to have it with you so bad. It's the golden ticket. It says Wonka's Golden Ticket. Date, February 1st, 1971. Time, 10 a.m. sharp. And it says, hand in tickets to me. And on the back it says, that's a lot of text, so I'm just going to say it out loud. Greetings, lucky ticket finders. This is a ticket from Mr. Willy Wonka. It's great. I greet you by the hand. You have won a tour to my candy factory. At the end of the tour, you will get a lifetime supply of chocolate. Don't be late. You may bring 1 or 2 members of your family to look after you. Signed, Willy Wonka. And now I use this golden ticket as like a bonus for people who want to put their golden ticket in. So yeah. So since I already taped my thing, I'm gonna untape it right now. Okay, so I taped the gold ticket back inside the tinfoil with the chocolates, so just like they would do in a movie. So now I'm going to color this thing now, and you will be done. So this is what the covering of the Wonka bar looks like, according to my brain. Well, you can always print out a Wonka bar, or you can just design your own Wonka bar cover. So yeah, I really like it. I didn't really color the back of it though. I'm more better off with the front. And ta-da! We got yourself a Wonka bar. Here are ingredients and distributions, whatever they're called. And yeah, so yeah, I'm Lane Wilkinson, and this is how you can get a Wonka bar in the United States. Just make one. You can use any chocolate bar, and yeah. So give this video a like and subscribe.